Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to tie a balloon. So get out your pen and paper, boys and girls, because we're about to get started. So you're gonna want to need a balloon about yay size. You can make it big as you want, small as you want, as long as you have a balloon. Now, this is the easiest way that I've learned, and you're just gonna put your thumb right here onto the back of the balloon. Once it's nice and secure, you're gonna turn your index finger around that. I'm going to show you a better view of it. You're gonna turn that index finger around that, and then you're gonna pop it out, and then you're going to do like a little crabby finger and grab the other side of the balloon like so and pull it through to make a nice hard knot, and there you go. You got it. I hope this helps, guys, and enjoy your water balloon, your regular balloon, your helium balloon, and if you have any other questions, don't be afraid to let me know, and have fun. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Love you. Peace. Mwah.